Good morning, everyone. I hope you are well. I sure do miss you, and we can't wait to see you back in class. Reminder that we are out Monday and Tuesday of next week, so it'll be a while before we get to see you. Please reach out if you need anything. I'll be glad to help you in the best way that I can. Today, I'm going to go over your Bellringers, so let's get started. It says 4 out of 5 dentists prefer Colgate, so Colgate is a brand of toothpaste. And it says what percentage of those dentists prefer Colgate. So to do this, we've been focused on this idea this week in class. I'm trying to make a text box so I can show you how to do the work over here on the side. So remember, if we're making a percent, that means it's got to be scaled to be out of 100. So 4 out of 5 means we got to make the 5, because it's our bottom number, we got to scale that to be out of 100. Okay, so our denominator, our bottom number, that fraction, and if it's okay with you, on this Chromebook, it's so much easier to say 4 to 5, like a ratio, and show that the 5 has to become 100, because it just 4/5, it doesn't want to show that relationship very clearly. So I'm going to make this a little bigger so you can see it. A little more. There we go. So how does 5 become 100? So 5 times 20 makes 100. Well, we know with our rule of equivalent ratios, with our rule of equivalency, if we multiply 5 times 20, we have to multiply 4 times 20 to make it become 100. I'll scoot that over so you can see that relationship there. So what is 4 times 20? Well, that's 80 to 100. And if we have 80 to 100, then that is 80%, because percent means out of 100. So 80%. I hope that makes sense. The next question wants us to find the least common multiple. So multiple means that they go on forever. So we do our multiples of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60. Now, I just went out 10 multiples of up to 10 multiples for 6. You might have to go more than that, but I think that's a good stopping point, because some of you don't need to write these out, and that's okay. The multiples of 9, then 9 times 1 is 9, 18, 27, 36. So we see that they have a lot of multiples in common, but we're looking for the least. So the least is 18. And finally, describe how to plot the point -4, 2 means to start at the origin, go to the left 4, and up 2. All right, those are your bell ringers for today. Stay tuned to the next video as we go over today's lesson.